Hello and welcome to the online viewing from the 69 Melton Road. This 3-bedroom mid-terrace property is convenient for Heath High Street amenities. Okay, and then moving into the property, and we've got 2 reception rooms here. Nice open plan feel to this property, and we can see the front reception room with bay window, and then the front door also there into the porch. And nice open fireplace and window to the rear aspect. Then we have the inner lobby with stairs which lead up to the first floor, and then opening into the kitchen, where we have a door just to the right hand side here leading out into the garden. And also an integrated cooker, a 4-ring electric hob space for washing machine and fridge freezer, and then just above there this cupboard houses the wall mounted gas boiler. And on to the bathroom, where we have bath with shower above, WC, and pedestal wash basin just there as well. Okay, then on to the first floor, where we have 3 bedrooms, starting with bedroom 1 here at the front of the property, with 2 windows there to the front aspect. Really nice sized room. And then on to the second bedroom. And in here we have an aspect to the rear, and through to bedroom 3. Again, having an aspect here across the rear garden. Okay, and then outside we have this rear courtyard area with gated access to the shared passageway, which, as we can see, just runs across here and then back out onto Melton Road. And then we have the main garden area with ornamental pond, gravelled area, and then the main garden with hedged and fenced boundaries leading down to this flagged patio section here, and lovely leafy surroundings. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, please contact the office as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you very soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.